'87 Chevy Celebrity 2.8 V6 automatic Eurosport. Just installed single in, single out, 2 1/4 40 series Flowmaster exhaust. Chrome dual tip on the amp. Actually, doesn't really have much of a drone. It sounds pretty good going down the road. You could really hear the shifts when you do drive it, which is another thing I like. The older muffler that was on the car was just junk. It's going to cost me about $60 to replace it, and this muffler was $20 more, so I thought, why not just go ahead and put something that really sounds good versus stock that's quiet and, well, kind of sad. So Flowmaster it was.
Somebody's here.
Alrighty guys, if you like that exhaust, give it a big thumbs up. Heck, give it a big thumbs up anyway if you like this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the bottom. I'll try my best to get to them. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I make outdoor repair videos just about every other week and other content as well. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next upload. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more.